Hi, so today we are going to do another quick video. What's inside one of these cheap Chinese solar LED automatic outdoor waterproof lithium ion lights? This description still misses on the word used in the advertisements, but we have one working light. There's a switch below. It works by voltage detection. So when the solar panels detect voltage, it switches off. When voltage goes down, it turns on. This is a functioning light. This is the dead light which we have used for experimental purposes. There's a solar panel that's coming off. There's a backside cover, 4 screws which we have conveniently removed. The panel comes off, the plastic cover. The solar panel from the outside is connected to a lithium ion battery, and that is connected to a small circuit board that powers the LED panels from here. So the power comes here, charges the battery. There is a voltage detection switch somewhere in here, torch part. I'm not going to open the electronics and give you a schematic, but just so that you understand how it works. This battery charges in the daytime. When the power goes out, this panel has a circuit that detects the solar panel having no voltage and automatically triggers the power from the battery into the LED panel over here. So that, in simple terms, is how one of these lights work. This may look big, but the size of this box is large only to accommodate the large solar panel and the large LED panel. Otherwise, the circuit board is like about 2 inches long by about 3/4 of an inch wide. Thank you for watching.